السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. قضاء وقت الفراغ. قضاء spending وقت الفراغ means leisure time. Spending leisure time. How are you spending your leisure time? قضاء means spending. وقت means time. فراغ means leisure. Okay. لكل الناس وقت للعمل. For every people. لي that means for. كل means every, each. الناس people. For every man. وقت for every man has time. وقت للعمل for work. للعمل means for work. And ووقت للراحة, and every man has time for rest, taking rest. وقت للراحة means taking rest. Every man has time for work, and a man has time for taking rest. فالتلاميذ and the students يذهبون, they go. يذهبون means they go. إلى مدارسهم, they go to their schools. في سعادة happily. في سعادة means happily. كل يوم, every single day. كل يوم means every day. يقرؤون الكتب, they read books. ويكتبون الدروس, they write lessons. ويعملون التجارب في المعمل, and they do experiment in the laboratory. تجارب means, experiment something, checking something. All right. في المعمل, معمل means laboratory. معمل means laboratory. Okay. And وعندما يعودون, وعندما يعودون, وعندما يعودون, whenever they return. وعندما, عندما means whenever. يعودون, they return. إلى بيوتهم, to return home. بيوتهم means their homes. بيت is one, واحد. بيوت is جمع. Their homes. يجتهدون, they work really hard. اجتهد يجتهد من باب الافتعال, that means working hard. They work hard في أداء الواجب. They work hard for doing homework. أداء الواجب means for doing homework. أداء means performing something, doing something. واجب means which is obligatory to do. All right, homework is obligatory to do. That's why أداء الواجب means homework. Okay. ويستذكرون, and they memorize. يستذكر means memorize. ويستعدون, they prepare themselves لليوم التالي, for the next day. استعد يستعد, استعدد يستعدد. Okay. استعدد يستعدد, استعد يستعد means preparing. So they prepare themselves for. li means for what? يوم, day. What day? يوم التالي means next day. Okay, the following day, for the following day. وهكذا, and like this. فهم, and they, this is how. يقضون, فهم means then they. يقضون, they spend their days. أيام الدراسة, and this is how they spend their school days. أيام الدراسة means school days. Okay, class days. In a week, the days they do have class. Okay. So أيام, يوم is واحد. أيام means جمع. أيام is جمع. أيام الدراسة means lessons. This is how they spend their lesson days or week class days. في تعب, in hard work. And مستمر, in a continuous process regular. في تعب مستمر, that means in a regular hard work they do this work. Okay, they spend their class days. وفي الإجازة الأسبوعية, and the weekly holiday. In the weekly holiday. وفي means definitely in. الإجازة means what? Holiday. أسبوعية means weekly holiday. يحاول, they try. التلاميذ, students try. تلاميذ, تلميذ is واحد. تلاميذ means many students. يحاول, حاول يحاول, مقابلة مفاعلة, من باب المفاعلة. Students try أن يستريحوا, to take rest. من تعب الأسبوع, from the hard work they did in the week. They want, in the weekly holidays, they want to take rest from the hard work they did, to recover themselves from the hard work they did throughout the week. Okay, من تعب means working like that. من تعب الأسبوع, from the weekly work days. فهذا يذهب إلى النادي. فهذا, and this boy. Okay, this boy or someone, or this is يذهب إلى النادي, he is going to club. رياضي means sports club. Okay, this boy. فهذا means this boy is going to. This boy is going to هذا. That means this boy is going to. إلى النادي. نادي means club. What club? What type of club? الرياض sports club. ليقابل to meet. قابل يقابل. لي means for. قابل يقابل means what meeting? To meet أصدقائه. To meet his friends. أصدقاء means friends. ويلعب معهم to play with them. يلعب لعب. يلعب means playing. يلعب means to play. معهم with them. With them means with friends. Okay, in that sports club. All right. And then وآخر and another boy. There's another boy. You can check the picture next to it. There is a boy. What is he doing? Let us see. وآخر and another. Other or others. You can say other and another boy. يفضل prefer. فضل يفضل means preferring something. Suppose أنا أفضل الشاي على القهوة. That means I prefer tea rather than coffee. Okay, يفضل means preferring something, give importance to something, being biased to something. وآخر and other boy يفضل. يفضل means what he prefers. He prefers الجلوس. He prefers sitting, staying في البيت at home. وممارسة or to practice. إحدى الهوايات to practice one of his hobbies التي يحبها that he loves. And there are some other boys in the weekly holidays. They prefer staying at home and practice one of their hobbies that they like. ممارسة means practicing. Okay, إحدى means one of the what? One of the hobbies. هواية. هوايات means many hobbies. هواية means one hobby. هوايات means many hobbies. Okay, التي that the hobby. يحب. أحب يحب means that he loves. ها means the هواية. He practice one of the hobbies that he loves at home in the weekly holidays. مثل suppose for example قراءة قصة, reading stories. This could be one of the هوايات, one of the hobbies. أو الرسم or drawing. الرسم means drawing. أو جمع طوابع or collecting stamps. Collecting. جمع means collecting. طابع means stamps. All right. أو المراسلة or corresponding or sending letters to the friends. All right. Sending and receiving letters. أو سماع الموسيقى. موسيقى or سماع means listening to the music. موسيقى means music or listening to the music. There are some boys, those who stay at home in the weekly holidays and they do these things. Okay, قراءة قصة, الرسم, جمع التوابع, مراسلة, and سماع الموسيقى, listening to the music. وثالثا, there's another type of boy. There are some other boys يخرج. They go out مع مدرسته with مدرسته. It's going to be مدرسته or this could be مدرسته with his school. And there are some other boys يخرج. They go out with their school. أو مجموعة من أصحابه with his friends or with a group of the friends. إلى رحلة to a trip. رحلة means trip. في مكان قريب to a place nearby. Okay, أو بعيد or to a place which is far away from their place. Okay, and there are some other boys in the weekly holidays. They prefer madrasatihi, going outside with their madrasa students or with their madrasa means schools boys, school friends. مجموعة with a group من أصحابه, with friends إلى رحلة to a trip في مكان قريب أو بعيد, to a nearby or far places. Okay, then we can see ومن التلاميذ. And there are some other boys what they do. ومن التلاميذ and there are some other boys من يصحب, who accompanies أسرته, their families, who accompanies their أصحاب. صحابة يصحب means giving company. All right, accompany to their family. عائلة means family. أسرة means family, to their family. For لزيارة الأقارب, to visit their relatives. زيارة means visiting. أقارب means relative, to visit their relatives. والأصدقاء are to the friends. Okay. Some students prefer to do these things in their weekly holidays. And finally, وفي الإجازات الطويلة, if the holidays is long. وفي الإجازة, in إجازة holidays طويلة, in the long holidays. هناك, there are some boys. هناك, that means there. من يفضل, there are some boys, those who prefer. من, those who prefer. يفضلون, فضل يفضل من باب التفعيل. Those who prefer what? سفر. Those who prefer long trip, السفر. Okay, they prefer travel. They prefer traveling. لمشاهدة بلاد جديدة, to see the new countries. مشاهدة means what? To see, to explore. مشاهدة بلاد جديدة, new countries, to the new countries. ومقابلة أهلها, and they prefer to meet their citizens, to meet the country people of those countries. All right, to meet the people of those countries. All right, مقابلة it's مفاعلة, it means meeting. أهلها means people of those countries, of those new countries. All right. And what? Or والاطلاع, والاطلاع, and they also prefer. اطلاع means exploring something, they love to, they prefer to explore على حضارتهم, their culture. They also love to. اطلاع means explore, to what? For explore the culture. حضارة means culture, civilization. To explore the culture of those people, of those countries. وطريقة حياتهم, and their way of life. طريقة means way, حياتهم means their life, their way of life. They also love to explore the culture and the life of, way of life of those countries, life of way of life of their countries. All right. حضارة means culture, civilization. حضارتهم means their civilization, their culture. طريقة means way. حياة means what? Life. Him means their. Finally, two questions are there. فما هوايتك المفضلة? So, what is your what is your favorite hobby? هوايتك means what is your hobby. هوايتك المفضلة means what is your favorite hobby. Okay, we can ask what is your favorite food. ما هو الطعام المفضل لك. What is your favorite food. What is your favorite book. ما الكتاب المفضل لك. We can ask like this. Okay, ما الكتاب المفضل. ما كتابك المفضل. What is your favorite book. ما طعامك المفضل. What is your favorite food. Like this. وكيف تقضي, and another question is finally, وكيف تقضي أوقات فراغك, and how do you spend your holiday. How do you spend your leisure time? How do you spend your leisure time? كيف, how تقضي, you spend أوقات, time, فراغك, of your leisure. How do you spend your leisure time? السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.